In this video, we will talk about the difference between online documents and local or desktop documents. What you're seeing here is a typical diagram for a network. And what we have here is we have in the center, we have a router that's connecting multiple devices at a location, a physical location or building, where folks are able to connect with each other and interact. So we see here, these are computers of end users. We also have a printer that's hooked up. And so what you'll see here in this diagram is an image of a cloud. And this refers to the connection to the internet, right? Which is connecting us to computers and servers and websites outside of our building, outside of our local network. And so the term cloud computing comes from network diagrams that utilize this cloud image to essentially mean the internet. And so when we talk about online computing or cloud computing or accessing our files in the cloud, we're talking about files that are hosted on a server outside of our local area network, outside of our building. And so an example of online files in the cloud would be OneDrive on Office 365. And so when we run our browser and we go to Office 365 and we access the OneDrive app, these are online files that are stored on another server. We can access them in the browser, and we can actually edit these files within the browser. And so we can open them here in the cloud, and we can add content here, and everything auto saves. We don't have to worry about saving it. Now, in contrast to this would be files on our local hard drive on our computer. And so if I were to come up here to editing, I have the option to open this file in the desktop app. So I can open this in Microsoft Word, the local application on my computer, and I can also edit this file locally. So here we are now in the desktop app, and we can see everything's here. We can continue editing. And so I could also save this on a local folder on this desktop. And so when we talk about desktop files versus online files or files in the cloud, this is exactly what we mean. The nice thing is we can close the desktop file and again auto saving our changes. And this is a best practice. You always want to have your files stored online or in the cloud so that you can access them anytime, anywhere, on any device.